So you made an investment in Dell Technologies, as in like the computer company. Like, dude, you're getting a Dell, but you're not really sure why you invested in Dell. Not always the best strategy. You should always know why you're investing in a company. And I have a hunch that you might have purchased stock in Dell because everyone on social media is talking about it. I mean, I go live 3 days a week, and a month ago, nobody asked me about Dell. Now every time I go live, Dell, what do you think about Dell? Apparently Elon Musk is going to be using Dell's technology for his AI startup. Dell, is it too late? So let's take a look at Dell. I'm also going to give you some resources, don't worry, they're totally free, that will allow you to do your own research so you don't go into stocks or investments blind without knowing why you're investing in these companies in the first place. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go right here and you're going to click on the menu, which is right here, and you're going to find this template, which is right here. It's totally free, by the way. There's no clicking. You don't have to click anything. You don't have to put an email in, and it is clickable right here. If you click on it, the whole template opens and you can click and fill it in yourself, which it just so happens that I've already done over here. But first, Dell is so much more than just computers. So let's take a quick look at some of the stuff they do. I'm just here on their website right now. They have artificial intelligence, they have IT infrastructure, they have computers, they have services like cloud and artificial intelligence, life cycle services, trainings and certifications. Their AI can help with content creation, code generation, and even digital assistance. They also have something called a digital twin, which sounds a little scary, like a Black Mirror episode, but I don't think that's really what it is. Computer vision and design and data creation. And that's just their AI solutions. Dell is $148 per share, and in the last 1 year, the stock is up 200%. In the last 5 years, it's up 438%. And since their 2018 IPO, it's up 592%. Dell also has a market cap of $105 billion, and surprisingly, they offer a 1.19% dividend. Although they have no 5-year growth, so the dividend must be relatively new. Their price to earnings ratio is 19 times earnings, and the industry average is around 24 times earnings, which means Dell is a little bit undervalued compared to the industry on a whole. And we can see here that their revenue is kind of hit or miss. It's 91 billion, then it's 86 billion, then it's 101 billion. Then in 2023, it was 101.5, so just a little bit of growth. But then in 2024, revenue took a big hit, down to 88 billion. But look at Dell's net income, 3.21 billion. But last year, their net income was 2.44 billion, so it's improved by over 30%. Dell has 82 billion in assets, and you can see here that they're paying down their debt pretty significantly. They've got 7 billion in cash and investments and 5.2 billion in free cash flow, and their 1-year price target still has a little bit of room in the tank. According to the analysts, they think it could be $157 or go up another around 6%. There's one last website here called Stock Target Advisor, and when you search for the stock and you come over here, you scroll down just a little bit, they'll show you what they like, and this is just some of what they like about Dell. You can pause the screen and read at your own leisure, and what not to like. Also, pretty big list. So there you have it. Now it seems to me like Dell has already seen explosive growth, up 200% in the last year alone. It doesn't mean that the growth is over, but it's also unsustainable to think that a stock can go up 200% a year every single year. I mean, come on. So now if there's anyone out there who's curious about a stock, you don't have to ask me. You can do your own research and make your own conclusions. If you thought this video was helpful, smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.